Today we eliminate 13 teams. 13. Okay. So our first team we are eliminating is Cochrane Finest.
Our second team is Winehose.
Our third team is Royal Oak Ones. Or more like Royal Oak Duns.
Our team is Great Minds Drink Alike.
Our next team is Varsity Vines.
Cochrane all the way.
Flying high, more like flying low.
Slow down. There we
Flying
go.
by.
Okay.
Yeah, more like flying by.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Rosé all day.
Cardiac Corks. Cardiac Dorks.
Goon Bankers.
Blue Monday. It truly is a Blue Monday for Blue Monday.
Final Vibes.
More like Rhino sad vibes.
Wolfpack.
And that is all our eliminated teams tonight. We now, okay,
We can look up our finals. Wait. I don't think it's gonna work.
That's,
okay. Anyways, let's start our eliminations of night 7.
28.
28. We say goodbye to. Our first big night. Our first elimination is Linda Rowan from We Will Take It.
They will not. Our second elimination is Rachel from Crowfoot Carousers.
Nailed it.
Our next elimination is Dome's family from GDPR.
Our fourth elimination is Jeremy and Delaney from Silver Springs Gang.
Our next elimination is Jeffrey Laundry from Sip Sip Heranosaurus.
Good job.
Really mixing up the plot.
Lori from Liberian Lushes.
Alright. Our next elimination is DJ and Jody from Silver Springs Gang.
Our next elimination is Karen Evans from Fuck Cancer.
Our next elimination is Genevieve Horn from Zenit to Win It.
Next elimination is Magna Goss. Reading Between the Wines.
Our next elimination is Kristen St. Pierre from Reading Between the Wines.
Our next elimination is Mike McQueen.
What?
Mick winners. More like Mick losers.
Our next elimination is Claire Bonartez from Vital Vino.
Our next elimination is Kathleen Boucher from Bring It Home.
Our next elimination is Mike Monca from Time to Wind Down.
Next elimination is Reynolds Family from JDPR.
L from Long family.
Our next elimination is Jim Davies from Dalhousie Pinett Posse.
Posse.
Our next elimination is Magda Goss from Polish Mom.
Our next elimination is Dave Willie. Let's get it ready to stumble.
Next is Tyler Tost from Poor Choices.
Our next elimination is Tracy Collins from Bitter with Age.
Our next elimination is John Jones from Full Bodied.
Our next elimination is Cecile Long 2 from Monica's team.
Our next elimination, just let me unfold it here, is Grant Goss from Dalhousie Pinot Posse.
Our next elimination is Kristen Niznik from Vital Vino.
Last two.
Last two. Our second last elimination of the night is Monica Shyway 2 from Monica's team.
Our last elimination is Matt from Liberian Lushes.
And that concludes night 7. If your name was not pulled, then you have a chance of winning 212 bottles of wine.
Hooray!
So tomorrow is going to be a big night, so tune in tomorrow night for our final draw.
Keep ready.